The Childers were recent empty nesters and they really wanted to downsize, so this cute little 1920s house was the perfect fit for them. When I spoke to Stacy about the design, the main thing she said was, I want just clean and simple spaces. She gave me two colors she likes, white and blue. And anytime anyone asks me for white, it's never a problem because it's my favorite color too. You know, one of the reasons why I love working with white spaces is because really any color you add to it really pops and really comes alive. These fresh flowers really make a statement. All these boxwoods up here, it's just a really clean, simple contrast, but it's also one of those rooms you can come in and you don't feel cluttered. Your mind can really rest, stay at ease because it's just a clean and simple space. You know, the challenge with an all-white room is still making it feel warm and inviting. The texture was really the play here in this room. Here with the fireplace, we had to add some brick here, but what I love about this is even though it's white, there is a lot of texture at play, so that it still gives the room a lot of interest. I wrapped these books in different colored linen. Everything I decorated with, I really wanted to be a play on texture, but it's also still staying along the lines of clean and simple. The Armorium project was a fun challenge because they had a style in mind for their home that I really wanted to implement without it feeling like too much of a theme, which was a little bit tough to do because my client was really wanting a coastal themed home. And now when you walk in, you don't feel like you're in Central Texas. You feel like the ocean could be in the backyard. One of my favorite things to decorate with are antique pieces. I found these antique oars at an old shop here in town. And I think now when you see this, it really ties into the coastal theme, but it's not going too far to where it feels kind of cheesy. Another thing I wanted to carry on was just the idea of driftwood. We literally went to the lake and found some old pieces of driftwood. I thought it would make a really cool design statement in their fireplace. You know, in the hotter months when they're not actually burning fire in here, it's just a fun design element that adds that extra coastal feel. One of the rooms that I really feel like carries this theme the best is this dining room. Things like this light fixture with a jute hanging from it, this lighter wood top table, and even this artwork that my friend Clayton did. All these elements together really give off that coastal vibe that my client was wanting.